That glaring sold out badge can make your otherwise perfect Shopify store look outdated and turn customers away. Today I'll show you the simple, built-in way to remove it, ensuring your storefront always looks professional and current. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin and click on Products. This will bring up a list of all your items. Here, you'll see all your products. Find the specific product that has the sold out badge you want to remove. Click on the product title to open its details. Now you're inside the product editor. Look towards the top right corner of the page for the status toggle. This status dropdown controls the product's visibility. Click on it to see the available options: active, draft, and archived. To remove the sold out badge, you need to change the product's status. If an item is truly out of stock indefinitely, select archived. This will remove the product from your online store completely, along with the badge. If the product is temporarily out of stock but you plan to restock it, change the status to draft. This hides the product from your live storefront, but saves all your information for when you're ready to reactivate it. After selecting your desired status, don't forget to hit the Save button in the top right corner to apply the changes. And that's it. Go back to your live store and refresh the page. You'll see the sold out badge is gone, leaving you with a clean, accurate product listing that guides your customers effectively.